Welcome to our deep dive into the nervous system. From birth to our last breath, it's hard at work. A vast network of cells that let us think, feel, and experience. Stay tuned for fascinating facts that will blow your mind. The human brain, often described as the most complex structure in the known universe, houses a staggering 86 billion neurons. Imagine, if you will, each of these neurons as a tiny, bustling city connected to thousands of others by intricate roadways. These roadways are the synapses, the junctions where neurons communicate with each other, sending electrical and chemical signals that dictate everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and bodily functions. It's a symphony of activity, a microscopic metropolis that never sleeps. Extending from the brainstem like a vital cable is the spinal cord. Encased within the protective bony armor of the vertebral column, it serves as the central communication pathway between the brain and the rest of the body. Sensory information from the body travels up the spinal cord to the brain, while motor commands from the brain travel down, instructing muscles to contract, glands to secrete, and organs to function. It's a two-way information superhighway, ensuring the smooth operation of our intricate biological machinery. A single neuron, while minuscule in size, possesses the remarkable ability to connect with up to 10,000 other neurons. Now, multiply that by 86 billion and you begin to grasp the sheer scale and complexity of the network within our skulls. These trillions upon trillions of connections form an intricate web, a living, breathing circuit board that surpasses any human-made computer in its processing power and adaptability. This intricate web is the very essence of who we are, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Chapter 4. Chemical Messengers. The Dance of Neurotransmitters. Within this bustling neural network, communication is key. This is where neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, come into play. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in reward, motivation, and movement. Serotonin, another key player, influences mood, sleep, appetite, and even our perception of pain. These chemical messengers, along with a cast of others, orchestrate a delicate dance within our brains, ensuring the smooth functioning of our mental and physical well-being. Chapter 5. The Hungry Brain. A Metabolic Powerhouse. While the human brain accounts for only about 2% of our total body weight, it consumes a disproportionate amount of energy, roughly 20% of the body's total energy expenditure. This remarkable energy consumption highlights the brain's constant activity even when we're at rest. It's a testament to the vital role the brain plays in every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. Like a high-performance engine, it requires a steady supply of fuel to keep its gears turning and its circuits firing. Chapter 6. Two Hemispheres, Two Worlds. The Divided Brain. The human brain, a marvel of evolutionary engineering, is divided into two hemispheres, each responsible for controlling the opposite side of the body. The left hemisphere, often associated with logic, language, and analytical thinking, governs the right side of the body. The right hemisphere, on the other hand, is the seat of creativity, intuition, and spatial awareness, controlling the left side of the body. These two hemispheres, though seemingly separate, work in concert, constantly exchanging information through a thick band of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. Chapter 7. Imagine touching a hot stove. Your hand recoils instantly, even before your brain registers the pain. This, my friends, is a reflex, a lightning-fast, involuntary response to a stimulus that bypasses the brain entirely. The spinal cord, acting as a rapid response team, receives sensory information from the hand and immediately sends out motor commands to withdraw it from danger. This split-second decision-making by the spinal cord helps prevent serious injury and highlights the remarkable efficiency of our nervous system. Chapter 8. Deep within our nervous system, two branches maintain our internal balance. The sympathetic nervous system kicks in during stress or danger. The parasympathetic system takes over when the danger has passed. These branches work in harmony, ensuring our bodies are always prepared. Chapter 9. Our eyes, often referred to as the windows to the soul, capture the world around us in vivid detail. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain, where it's interpreted as images. This underscores the intricate connection between our eyes and our brains. Our sense of smell, often underestimated, plays a crucial role in our perception of the world. The olfactory system, responsible for our sense of smell, can detect over 1 trillion different scents, from the sweet aroma of a rose to the pungent odor of spoiled milk. Odor molecules, carried on the air we breathe, bind to receptors in our nasal cavity, triggering nerve impulses that travel to the olfactory bulb in the brain. Here, these signals are processed and interpreted, allowing us to distinguish between a vast array of scents, evoke memories, and even influence our emotions. The human brain, far from being a static organ, possesses an extraordinary ability to change and adapt throughout our lives, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. New neural connections are constantly being formed, strengthened, or weakened, depending on our experiences, learning, and even our thoughts. This remarkable adaptability allows us to learn new skills, recover from injuries, and adapt to new environments. It's a testament to the brain's resilience and its ability to rewire itself in response to life's challenges. Nerve signals, the messengers of our nervous system, race through our bodies at astonishing speeds, some exceeding 250 miles per hour. These electrical impulses, generated by the movement of ions across nerve cell membranes, allow for near instantaneous communication between different parts of the body. This rapid transmission of information is essential for coordinating our movements, reacting to stimuli, and maintaining our balance. Imagine a superhighway with information zipping along at breakneck speeds. That's your nervous system in action. Chapter 13. The electric brain powering our thoughts. The human brain, a marvel of biological engineering, generates enough electricity to power a low-wattage light bulb. This electrical activity, produced by the billions of neurons firing in our brains, is a testament to the constant activity taking place within our skulls. Even when we are at rest, our brains are abuzz with activity, processing information, regulating bodily functions, and dreaming up our next big idea. Chapter 14. The mystery of yawns, more than just tiredness. Yawning, often associated with tiredness or boredom, is actually a complex physiological process that serves multiple purposes. One theory suggests that yawning helps cool the brain, which is highly sensitive to temperature fluctuations. By increasing blood flow to the brain and bringing in cooler air, yawning may help regulate brain temperature and improve alertness. So, the next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's not necessarily a sign of disinterest, but rather your brain's way of staying cool under pressure. Chapter 15. The dreaming brain. Active. Even in slumber. Sleep, far from being a passive state, is a time of intense brain activity, particularly during the REM, or rapid eye movement stage. During REM sleep, our brains are abuzz with activity, almost as if we were awake. Dreams, often vivid and surreal, are a hallmark of this sleep stage, as our brains work to consolidate memories, process emotions, and make sense of the day's events. So while our bodies may be at rest, our brains are hard at work, sorting through our experiences and creating the landscapes of our dreams. The human nervous system, from the intricate wiring of the brain to the lightning-fast communication of nerve impulses, is a testament to the power and complexity of the natural world. The human nervous system drives everything we do and feel. Want to learn more fascinating facts? hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you next time.